Hey guys, welcome back. We are back in Japan. We just touched down in Tokyo like 5 o'clock this morning and then took a Shinkansen over to Kyoto. So we got ready and now we're ready to explore. We are at Sanazaka? Yeah, headed towards Sanazaka. It's like a old traditional Japanese neighborhood, like on a hill, but there's a bunch of shops and like little restaurants as well. Man, it is super crowded. So we thought because it's New Year's Eve that there wouldn't be that many people, but as you can see, there's a lot and kind of hard to walk through just because there's so many people. But I'm glad to see like all the shops are open, all the little snack shops. What are you doing? So they have like snacks, so if you want like daifuku and those like tanghus and other Japanese snacks, they're all open. The little cute shops are also open, so if you want to get souvenirs, it's a good place to get it. I'm trying to figure out what snack I should eat.
I know what snack I want to eat.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out what snack to get. There is like this, looks like a pastry, like a bean paste in like, kind of like a soft bun, like a pork bun, with like bean paste in there. So that looks good.
I know who has a soft bun.
Okay. Anyways. Let's go take a let's go get a picture. We're gonna walk up and see what it's all about. There's a lot of people going up that way, so let's go. Just keep going. Alvin is admiring the tile work, the intricate tile work all over. Go slow.
It has rocks so you don't slip. That's the whole point of it being rocky.
Just hold my hand. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna just tumble down this hill and then all these people are gonna laugh at me. I'm not proud of it, but I have a history of falling. Just anywhere, everywhere, randomly, on steps, down hills, up hills, you name it. And then the kids and Alvin just, they don't even help me up. They just laugh and then help me up. This family is not worth a damn. We're now making our way down from the temple and I still haven't got my snack, so I'm getting hungry and I'm not leaving this place without a snack. drink out? It's about 3:20 and we walked over to Gion, the geisha district, and we are going to meet up with my cousins.
Hey, I know you guys. I saw that red beanie.
Where'd you guys come from?
Hey, I heard you got lost, fool. We need to put an air tag on him.
Told you. You're welcome. It's giving me Skeleton Key vibes. Have you guys seen it? I know.
Yeah. None of it's in English.
Wherever you want.
Let me Google Translate it real quick. Oh, you can write it in English.
I know, but I just don't know what to put.
Your New Year's,
What should I put?
good health, wealth, and no more drama.
No drama for your mama.
No drama for 2024. Good health and a lot of money.
Hashtag please sub to Kino Adventure.
What are you gonna put?
Subscribe to Kino Adventure.
Good job, kids.
3-1 relay that you lost?
Come on.
Tell me why you gotta leave my life, leave my life, leave my life. With the memories on my mind. With the memories on my mind. Tell me why you gotta leave my life, leave my life, leave my life. With the
Okay, we spent like 3 hours at that restaurant. I think it's called Zora. Hit them up because the owner was super friendly, hooked us up with a few shots and something like, it was like a sake soup special for New Year's. Now we're at Gion. Want to take pictures at night because it's pretty.
I don't know if I like huge because it's like, you know, sometimes.
Good morning, guys. It is New Year's Day and we actually decided to end the night early last night and didn't go to the temple at midnight for New Year's Eve, but we are today going to go to Arashiyama bamboo forest. Yes, we were there in June, but it was so crowded and we kind of just took the rickshaws real quickly. So I kind of wanted more time to just kind of explore and take my time and enjoy the scenery. So we're headed over there. We are gonna go to, I think, a temple or two today. We'll see what the day allows. It's a little drizzly today, this morning in Kyoto, but not too bad. It's also not too cold. It's like 40 to 50 degrees. So I opted to leave the jacket at home. We'll see if I freeze my butt off, but anyways, the boys are across the street getting their kombini breakfast and we're gonna head out. See you later. You see what?
shirt.
Just toss it. It's not like a stripper.
You're this guy? He's sleeping. That one. Son, that's you, babe.
For boom.
For boom.
1 and 2. Start walking again.
Oh, that fell. So we just came back from the Arashiyama bamboo forest and kind of just walked around with no plan, kind of got lost in the neighborhoods. Now we're back on like the main road and we are going to try to find something to eat. I think it's like, oh, I didn't bring my watch. I think it's like 11. So we're gonna try to find some lunch because we haven't had a meal yet. Babe, where you going? They're making you climb all these stairs just to use the bathroom?
If there's no bathroom up there, I'll be pissed off. I'll be pissed off. Doesn't flop over.
It doesn't flop over.
How was lunch?
There was no meat in my lunch.
You got curry with like 2 pieces of meat. Lunch was okay. It was like, I would say like what, like a 6 out of 10. Kind of hard to find restaurants that are open on New Year's Day.
Oh, monkeys. Here we go.
So we kind of just settled with whatever we ran into. We're on our way to Monkey Park. I think we found it. It's called Arashiyama Monkey Park. And Russell's gonna make eye contact. I dare you. Come on!
And then I'm gonna beat my chest.
It's gonna be the
You want me to go
look at him.
viral, right?
This is gonna be the last time you see Russell.
Oh no! Closed January 1st.
Yeah. Second one is good.
Epic failure. Darn.
Yeah, that's what's up.
He didn't want none anyways. We came up here anyways and thought maybe we could just like see the views, but the whole thing is closed. So that's unfortunate. Don't come on New Year's Day. It will be closed. On to the next thing.
Guys, our little poor guy was like, they've never been on the boat. They'll never come up here. And then he was like,
we decided to go to the Kyoto Tower observation deck. I think it's only like, ends up being like $7 or $8 per person to go up to the observation deck. So we'll do that. And there's also hella food here, so maybe I can find some good snacks because I'm craving for something kind of sweet.
でこれは展望台上5階まで参ります。
Cool.
you're looking for JB?
Oh, I see the shrine. It's right there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Where did Albie go? Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, I got the extra rich matcha latte. Let's see if it's good. It looks like there's like some mousse at the top, and there's like some mochi at the top also. Let's mix it up. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Look at this dude putting on gloves. Yeah. Did they give you those gloves? First impressions. What'd you get? Wagyu burger? At Nick's Steak.
Burger.
That's not even a burger.
Did mine ring yet or not?
Dang.
Right on, Russ.
Matcha beer.
That matcha beer. Cheers. What's the verdict?
They got us. Tastes like matcha.
I like this one because look at that! Look how clear that is. Look at my skin. Look at. Hey girl. Hey. Welcome to my vlog. We out here, Aquino Adventures.
That's what you would say?
Like and subscribe. Walk of shame. I ended up buying a camera, the one that I was looking at. Been eyeing for a little bit now, and then I also bought a what is that called? Like a wireless mic too, for a really good price. And then with the tax refund, it was like I couldn't pass it up. So now I am just sitting down because I have no business getting anything else. But these guys. These guys are hunting and shopping, and I'm gonna be the enabler. You guys are all going down.
So which one is this?
These are the one is the top.
This is all of it. This is how you react to beer.
So we found this car across the street, and they said that this is one of the cars that was in the Fast and the Furious movie. I don't know what scene, but it's a pretty dope car. Said that this was gonna be so easy. He's gonna fail miserably.
That looks really hard.